Automated meter reading meters utilize electronic circuitry to measure and record electrical consumption. Data is transmitted wirelessly or via wired connection to the utility company. Typically, automated meter reading meters automatically transmit readings on a regular basis, for example, daily or monthly. Key components include sensors that measure current and voltage to determine power consumption. A microprocessor controls data processing and transmission. A transmitter, either wireless or wired, facilitates data communication. The purpose of a bypass switch is to allow the removal of the meter without interrupting electrical service. The switch is located in the meter socket and is operated manually. When the switch is engaged, it bypasses the meter and connects the incoming and outgoing wires, maintaining power flow. The use of bypass switches is governed by industry standards and local regulations. In general, only authorized personnel such as utility workers or electricians should operate the bypass switch. Co-ops may choose to install bypass switches in their pedestals to facilitate meter replacement or maintenance without interrupting service. Automated meter reading meters are becoming increasingly common for both residential and commercial customers. The presence of a bypass switch indicates that the co-op has implemented a policy to enhance safety and convenience during meter maintenance. Customers should not attempt to operate the bypass switch without prior authorization from the co-op. The sensors in the meter measure both the current and voltage of the electrical supply. These measurements are crucial for calculating power consumption. Current is measured in amps and voltage is measured in volts. The meter uses these values to determine the power being used, typically expressed in kilowatt-hours. This measurement relies on the fundamental relationship between power, voltage, and current. Power in watts is equal to the voltage in volts multiplied by the current in amps. The meter's internal circuitry continuously samples these values and integrates them over time to calculate the total energy consumption. The microprocessor within the meter is responsible for several key functions. Firstly, it processes the data received from the sensors, converting the analog signals from the sensors into digital data. Secondly, it stores this data in its memory. Thirdly, it manages the transmission of the data to the utility company. The microprocessor is programmed to perform these tasks efficiently and accurately, ensuring that the readings are reliable. The data transmission from the meter to the utility company can occur via either wireless or wired connections. Wireless connections often use radio frequency signals to transmit the data to a central collection point. Wired connections, on the other hand, use physical cables such as telephone lines or Ethernet cables to transmit the data. The choice between wireless and wired connections depends on factors such as cost, reliability, and the existing infrastructure. The bypass switch is a critical component that allows the meter to be removed or replaced without disrupting the electrical service to the property. This is particularly important for situations where the meter needs to be serviced or upgraded. Without a bypass switch, it would be necessary to disconnect the power supply to the property, which can be inconvenient for the customer. The bypass switch works by creating an alternate path for the electricity to flow, bypassing the meter altogether. This alternate path maintains the continuity of the electrical circuit, ensuring that the power supply remains uninterrupted. The switch is designed to be operated manually, typically by authorized personnel only. When the switch is engaged, it effectively shorts the incoming and outgoing wires, creating a direct connection that bypasses the metering components. This allows the meter to be safely removed without any disruption to the electrical service. Regulations surrounding the use of bypass switches are in place to ensure safety and prevent unauthorized access. These regulations typically stipulate that only authorized personnel, such as utility workers or licensed electricians, are permitted to operate the bypass switch. This is to prevent tampering with the meter, which could lead to inaccurate readings or even electrical hazards. The regulations also often require that the bypass switch be clearly labeled and that its operation be documented. Co-ops often choose to install bypass switches in their pedestals to improve the efficiency and safety of meter maintenance and replacement. By having a bypass switch readily available, the co-op can quickly and easily remove or replace a meter without causing any inconvenience to the customer. This can be particularly important in situations where the meter is malfunctioning or needs to be upgraded to a newer model. The bypass switch also enhances safety by allowing the meter to be de-energized before it is removed, reducing the risk of electrical shock. It is important for customers to understand that they should never attempt to operate the bypass switch themselves. The switch is designed to be operated by authorized personnel only, and attempting to operate it without proper training and authorization could be dangerous. Customers should always contact the co-op if they have any questions or concerns about their meter or the bypass switch. Automated meter reading meters offer several advantages over traditional analog meters. Firstly, they provide more accurate readings, eliminating the need for manual meter reading and reducing the risk of human error. Secondly, they allow for remote monitoring of energy consumption, which can help customers track their usage and identify potential energy savings. Thirdly, they enable the utility company to detect and respond to outages more quickly, improving the reliability of the electrical grid. The installation and maintenance of automated meter reading meters typically involve several steps. Firstly, the existing meter is removed and replaced with a new automated meter reading meter. Secondly, the meter is connected to the electrical service and configured to measure energy consumption accurately. Thirdly, the meter is connected to the communication network, either wirelessly or via a wired connection. Finally, the meter is tested to ensure that it is functioning properly. The accuracy of the meter is crucial for ensuring fair billing and accurate energy management. Meters are typically tested and calibrated at the factory before they are installed, and they may also be periodically tested in the field to ensure that they are still functioning accurately. The testing process involves comparing the meter's readings to a known standard and adjusting the meter if necessary. The communication network used by the automated meter reading meter plays a critical role in transmitting data to the utility company. This network must be reliable and secure to ensure that the data is transmitted accurately and that the meter cannot be tampered with. Wireless networks typically use encryption and authentication protocols to protect the data, while wired networks may use physical security measures to prevent unauthorized access. The integration of automated meter reading meters into the electrical grid is part of a broader trend towards smart grids. Smart grids use advanced technologies to improve the efficiency, reliability, and security of the electrical grid. These technologies include smart meters, advanced sensors, and sophisticated control systems. The benefits of smart grids include reduced energy consumption, lower operating costs, and improved grid stability. Automated meter reading meters can also provide customers with valuable information about their energy consumption. By tracking their usage patterns, customers can identify opportunities to save energy and reduce their electricity bills. This information can be accessed through online portals or mobile apps, providing customers with real-time insights into their energy usage. In addition to measuring energy consumption, automated meter reading meters can also provide other valuable data, such as voltage and current levels. This data can be used to monitor the health of the electrical grid and detect potential problems before they cause outages. For example, if the voltage level drops below a certain threshold, the meter can alert the utility company, allowing them to take corrective action before an outage occurs. The security of automated meter reading meters is a major concern, as these meters are vulnerable to hacking and tampering. To address these concerns, manufacturers and utilities are implementing a variety of security measures, such as encryption, authentication, and intrusion detection systems. These measures are designed to protect the meter from unauthorized access and prevent tampering with the data. The future of automated meter reading technology is likely to involve even more advanced features and capabilities. For example, future meters may be able to communicate with other smart devices in the home, such as thermostats and appliances, to optimize energy consumption automatically. They may also be able to provide more granular data about energy usage, allowing customers to make even more informed decisions about their energy consumption. The use of automated meter reading meters is also driving innovation in other areas of the electrical industry. For example, the data collected by these meters is being used to develop new algorithms for predicting energy demand and optimizing grid operations. This data is also being used to develop new energy efficiency programs and incentives for customers. The adoption of automated meter reading meters is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of deploying these meters, which can be significant, especially in rural areas. Another challenge is the need to educate customers about the benefits of these meters and how to use them effectively. Despite these challenges, the benefits of automated meter reading meters are clear, and they are likely to become even more widespread in the years to come. As technology continues to advance and the cost of these meters decreases, they will become an increasingly attractive option for utilities and customers alike. The long-term impact of automated meter reading meters on the electrical industry is likely to be significant. These meters are not only changing the way that energy is measured and billed, but they are also enabling new business models and services. For example, some utilities are now offering time-of-use pricing, which allows customers to save money by using energy during off-peak hours. Automated meter reading meters are essential for implementing these types of pricing programs. In addition to their impact on the electrical industry, automated meter reading meters are also contributing to broader sustainability goals. By enabling customers to track and reduce their energy consumption, these meters are helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and conserve natural resources. They are also playing a role in promoting energy efficiency and reducing the demand for new power plants. The installation of a bypass switch in the meter pedestal is a proactive measure taken by the co-op to ensure seamless meter maintenance and replacement. It demonstrates a commitment to customer convenience and safety, minimizing disruptions during essential service operations. The switch is designed to be robust and reliable, capable of handling the full electrical load of the property. It is also typically housed in a weatherproof enclosure to protect it from the elements. The operation of the bypass switch is straightforward, but it should only be performed by trained personnel. The switch typically has a lever or handle that is used to engage or disengage the bypass. When the switch is engaged, it creates a direct connection between the incoming and outgoing wires bypassing the meter. When the switch is disengaged, the electricity flows through the meter, allowing it to measure energy consumption. The bypass switch is an essential tool for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical grid. It allows utility workers to perform maintenance and repairs on the meter without having to energize the entire property. This is particularly important in situations where there is a critical load, such as a hospital or data center, that cannot be interrupted. This switch also provides a means of isolating the meter in the event of a malfunction, preventing it from causing further damage or creating a safety hazard.